Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Oh my god, I'm so excited because we are now in November, so you know what that means. Christmas. Christmas has officially started on my channel. So the first video kicking off the festive season is a Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar unboxing. What? Oh my god, I cannot explain to you how excited I am for this. Can you look, just look how beautiful. Have you ever seen an advent calendar more beautiful? Honestly, I don't think I ever have. So if I just show you, it opens up like that and it says Charlotte Tilbury's Bejeweled Chest of Beauty Treasures. Explore Charlotte's world of magical makeup and skincare innovations. Discover a beauty secret in every drawer. May all your beauty dreams come true. This advent calendar retails for £150. At the time when I bought it, they were running a promotion that was if you spent over £125, they actually gave you a full size Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Lightweight Miracle Moisturiser, and this is normally £75 on its own. So this was a little deal that they were doing at the time. I can't guarantee that it's still on. Obviously it depends on when you are watching this video, but today is the 5th of November, aka fireworks night here in Britain, and it is still on as of today. So drawer number 1 comes out like this. Oh, wow. Okay, so I've got the Hollywood Beauty Light Bond Easy Highlighter. Wow. Okay, so this is a 12 mils. So this is what it looks like. Wow, the packaging is beautiful. Wow, okay, so I wasn't expecting it to have this type of end to it. Do you know what I was thinking? It was going to be like a cream that just poured out, but look. It's like a really nice applicator. It's in the off position, so it even tells you if it's on or off. So pretty, so pretty. I can see it coming through. Oh, it's like a champagne gold. So stunning. Oh, wow. Now, I'm going to have to try and get some close-ups of these separately. Because of my lighting in here, it's going to be difficult for you to see just how beautiful that is. If I tilt my hand slightly, can you see that? Wow, it's so creamy and so soft. Wow. There's no smell to it, which is good. That is so beautiful. I'm blown away by that. Number 2. Okay, so we have a thinner drawer this time. So we have Colour Chameleon Copper Lights, and this is an eyeshadow pencil. Whoa, that is so pretty. It is a very rich copper colour and it is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Oh my god. That is so pigmented. I literally just went like that on my hand so softly, and the payoff has come out brilliantly. Wow, so pigmented. And that it just glided on like butter. Wow. Okay. I like it. I like it a lot. So door number 3. Okay, and we have got Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil, and it is in the shade Barbarella Brown. I'm just blown away by the quality. Every time I swatch something, it is the lightest swatch, and the amount of pigment and payoff that comes off of that is truly amazing. These are very high quality items. You can definitely see why it comes with that kind of price tag when the payoff is this extreme. Drawer number 4. Okay, I already know I'm going to love this. So this is Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in the shade Pillow Talk. That is the perfect shade of lip colour. Wow, I really hope there is a lipstick in here that is going to match. That is so pretty. I know I keep saying it, but it really is. I am so blown away by this. So it is like a pinky nude colour, and it is so pretty. Very wearable. Okay, so this is drawer number 5. So we have the Goddess Skin Clay Mask, and it says visibly lifts, smooths, brightens and reduces the appearance of pores for baby soft skin. Okay, I'm excited to try that. So my pores at the moment are huge. They are huge. So I could really do with something that is gonna help minimize and hide them. That's very creamy. Very slight smell to it, not overpowering, it's very slight. And that goes on very creamily and it just sinks right into the skin. Yeah, that feels really nice. Okay, door number 6. Oh, what are you? Charlotte's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. Look at this little bottle, look, and it comes with a little pipette. Crystal infused Replexium serum for younger looking miracle skin. So that has a very slight sort of floral-y smell, which is quite pleasant, and that is just sunken into the skin and it has left this part of my skin feeling so soft. I'm not going to lie though, I wish that one was bigger, because I think this is going to be a firm favourite of mine. So door number 7, and we have Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash. So it says multiple uses. 1, under foundation for lit from within luminosity. 2, over foundation for a radiant flawless finish. Or 3, on its own after Charlotte's Magic Cream for lasting glow. So most days I actually don't tend to wear makeup, so something like this would give my skin just that little bit of boost, you know, to make my skin a little bit more radiant instead of looking dull because I have no product on my face. Something like this would give me that little bit of glow, which I'm really looking forward to trying. Door number 8. Okay, that is beautiful packaging. This is called Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes. So we have a mascara. Oh, whoa, look at that applicator. So it is plastic and it is more like a comb. So drawer number 9. We've got a lipstick. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. Oh, so pretty. This is stunning. So it is in the shade Pillow Talk. Wow. Okay, let's give this a swatch next to. I love it. I love it. It matches perfectly. To me, it looks a little bit darker in the bullet, but once you've actually put it on the skin, it matches so perfectly. That is so beautiful. Okay, I really feel like this is going to be my new favourite lipstick. I love that. Everything is just packaged so beautifully, right down to the little design on the very tip, the CT, the fact that it clips shut. You know, little things like that just go the extra mile. They don't have to do that sort of thing, but the fact that they do, it just shows you it's that little bit more luxurious. The fact is, this will not come off. This is not going to come apart in my handbag and go all over my paperwork. That is not going to happen. This is secure. It is so pretty. Like, you'd be quite happy to take this out of your handbag and adjust your lipstick anywhere, because you could show off such beautiful, elegant packaging. Drawer 10. Supermodel Body. Shape, hydrate and glow. Cheat your way to a supermodel body in a tube. Your dream body shortcut without the workout, using my celebrity limb highlighting the trick for an all-over sculpting shimmer. Okay, let's open you up. Oh, okay. So it does look like a skin colour, but when you rub it in, it just turns into sort of more like a highlighter. So I've just put it on here. I don't know how much of this you're going to be able to see. So this is drawer 11. Okay, what's this? Cute little packaging. So this is Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturiser. It comes with a little lid on top. Take that off. I'll try it on my other hand. Oh, it's quite a thick cream in there. Yeah, that feels lovely. There's a slight scent to it, but it's quite a pleasant smell. So that's just melted in my skin and it feels like buttery soft. Wow, okay, so a little of this I think is going to go quite a long way just because of how thick it is in there. So you don't actually need a lot. Oh, so we're on the last door. I really wish this was a 24-day advent calendar and not a 12. So far, that is my only gripe. So, it's the last one. Drawer number 12. Oh, okay. So we have got the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. Again in a glass bottle. That smells amazing. Oh my God, I've never smelled anything like it. So it says primes and sets for up to 16 hours. Instantly lock in your look for makeup magic that looks just applied. I don't even know what scent that is. It's beautiful. Wow. I really like that. I'm really sad that we're at the end. This is definitely the most expensive advent calendar I have ever got. But I must say it hasn't disappointed. I just wish there was more. I really wish instead of it being a 12-day advent calendar, it was a 24-day advent calendar. But once you start getting into that many products, you can imagine just how much more expensive this advent calendar would be. So if you are a fan of Charlotte Tilbury's or you have tried her products before, you'll know just how amazing these products are, and that is exactly why it comes with the price tag that it does. Right guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me. If you haven't already done so, please do hit that subscribe button down below. I have got plenty more Christmassy festive videos coming soon, so if you can hit the notification bell. That way it will let you know once my videos are uploaded and you can be one of the first to see them. So thank you so much for sticking with me, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah.